Hey everyone! Today I'm reviewing 5 best home entertainment center for home theaters designed to transform your living room into a full-fledged theater. These systems deliver immersive surround sound, powerful subwoofers, and versatile connectivity for everything from 4K TVs to gaming consoles. Whether you're streaming movies, hosting game nights, or enjoying music, each setup offers rich audio performance, easy installation, and smart features like Bluetooth, HDMI ARC, and app control. From compact systems to full 5.1 and 7.1 channel configurations, this lineup brings cinematic sound and convenience to your home theater experience. Number 1. BobTot 1200W 5.1 Channel Home Theater System. BobTot's 1200W home theater system features a 10-inch subwoofer with built-in receiver and 5 satellite speakers for immersive surround sound. Switch between 5.1 and 2.1 channel modes via remote or subwoofer panel. LED ambient lighting adds atmosphere with 4 modes including Beat Sync and Spectrum Analyzer. Bluetooth 5.3 and support for HDMI, optical, coaxial, AUX, USB, and SD inputs make it compatible with most devices. Each speaker connects via long built-in cables, allowing flexible placement. Rear speakers reach 31 feet. The remote lets you control individual speaker volumes and lighting, ideal for users seeking high-powered, wired surround sound with visual flair and broad multimedia support. Number 2. Ultimia Poseidon D77.1ch Virtual Surround System. Ultimia's Poseidon D70 upgrades your audio experience with 7.1ch virtual surround sound, 4 wired speakers, and a 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer. Enjoy crystal-clear dialogue and immersive spatial audio with 13 adjustable surround levels. The Ultimia Smart App offers 121 preset EQ matrices and 6 sound modes including movie, music, and game. Customize your sound with a 10-band equalizer and receive OTA updates for ongoing enhancements. Rear speakers connect via 20-foot cables for flexible layout. Bluetooth, HDMI, optical, and AUX inputs ensure wide compatibility. Perfect for users who want app-controlled precision tuning and expansive sound fields without Dolby Atmos dependency. Number 3. Definitive Technology Compact 5.1 Home Theater System. Definitive Technology's Compact 5.1 system delivers rich, 3D surround sound with 4 satellite speakers, a center channel, and a 250W powered subwoofer. The center speaker features advanced drivers and bass radiators for clear dialogue and dynamic range. Each satellite includes a tweeter, BDSS woofer, and bass radiator for surprisingly big sound in a small footprint. Ideal for space-conscious users, this system offers premium audio performance with a modern design. HDMI connectivity ensures easy integration with TVs and media players. A great choice for those seeking high-end sound clarity and room-filling bass in a sleek, affordable package. Number 4. Acoustic Audio by Goldwood AA2172 2.1 Multimedia System. Goldwood's AA2172 system includes a powered subwoofer and 2 wired satellite speakers with 350W peak output. Stream music via Bluetooth or connect through optical, RCA, USB, or SD inputs. The subwoofer features illuminated front panel controls and a built-in amp. Satellite speakers come with 15-foot RCA cables for flexible placement. Compatible with TVs, PCs, phones, and gaming consoles, it's a plug-and-play solution for smaller setups. Includes remote control and all necessary cables. Ideal for users who want a compact, affordable entertainment center with strong bass and versatile input options for everyday use. Number 5. BobTot 700W 5.1 Channel Surround Sound System. This 700W BobTot system includes a 5.25-inch subwoofer and 5 speakers with wired connections for stable performance. Switch between 5.1 and 2.1 modes via remote or subwoofer panel. Bluetooth 5.0 and support for HDMI, optical, coaxial, AUX, RCA, and USB inputs make it compatible with most devices. Long built-in cables allow flexible speaker placement. Rear speakers reach 31 feet. Setup is simple. Just plug and play with your 4K TV, projector, or gaming console. delivers clean, natural sound with deep bass and high volume. A solid choice for users seeking powerful surround sound with broad device support and easy installation. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.